Let's discuss ERP for automotive industry. You need the power of a smart and integrated solution like Sage ERP to overcome operational challenges in automotive business. Let's first look at some of the challenges of the automotive industry. Reduced sales, inflation, maintenance issues are responsible for shutdowns and downtime. Changing trends and customer demands impact the sales of the business. Lack of skilled labor is a major challenge. Factors such as pandemic, geopolitical issues, supply chain disruption are impacting the sales. Manufacturers and suppliers can seamlessly integrate and manage the entire operation from one centralized platform. How Sage ERP help your business to overcome these challenges? Automate workflows, track work orders and manage quality control, ensuring that the vehicles meets the compliance. Gain complete visibility into their production process, track supply chain operations and optimize production schedules for efficiency. It ensures to reduce errors and lowers cost. It enables order processing to delivery, tracks customer interactions and preferences. Implement Sage ERP for your automotive business and drive forward to success. Connect with us. Request for demo.